Hi, and today we have a special guest host. This is boo.bear.truman from TikTok.
Today, we're going to work on some tacos, one of my favorites. We're going to try to use a muffin tin to make taco bones out of. And we're also going to try to use a little cheese hack to see if you can put cheese inside your taco shells so they don't get soggy, and much, much more. First, we're going to start with the muffin tins, making the bowls. You got to cook it at 375 for 10 to 15 minutes. So, first thing you got to do, spray them lightly because that's where the taco shells are going to sit in. And let's see how it works, shall we? This one, I like this one. Stuff it down in there. Pull the sides up, fold them up a little bit. Whatever you gotta do to make it look like a bowl. I'm only gonna do 3. I'm a burrito guy for real. And I wanna try that taco hack where it don't get soggy. There's that one. Here's this one. There we go. Now we throw them in the oven and we'll see when they're done.
Later.
All right, so the timer's off. Let's check our bowls. They don't look bad, a little crispy.
Truman back. I'm going to try to shred some frozen cheese to see if it's any easier than shredding refrigerated cheese. Here we go. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
It don't stick like it usually does. But it doesn't seem to produce as much either.
So it looks like it would take a long time for you to get all that done.
And it looks more like shredded Parmesan cheese.
You know, if you only have a little bit and you're trying to grate something like that, you should always use a fork so you don't get your fingers caught up in it.
Yeah, I've done that once. See? That's how my finger got caught up in it. Just kidding.
Mind the puppies if you hear them out there.
Guard dogs. Yeah. The effort it takes and the amount that you get and how fine it is, I'm actually going to say that is going to be a headache. When it's not frozen, it usually produces more quicker. And this is really, really fine.
Him and I have this hack. They're different, but they're supposed to end up doing the same thing. So we're going to try his and then we're going to try mine. You guys let us know what you think in the comments below.
Mine is melting cheese in a pan, putting it over top of something so it hangs down, and then slip it in a taco shell. Let's see if it works. I got the pan, it's on about 8. You just take the cheese you want to use. You don't have to guesstimate it. You don't want it thick in any one spot. Get you a nice trusty spatula. Sit there and let it melt for a little bit. See over here where it's starting to melt a little bit, it's turning brown. Pull that over to the center.
So how long do you think it takes?
I haven't done this in years. I don't like dirty pans. So I don't do it a lot. You're going to flip it over. So you got to have the bottom a little bit crusty first before you flip it over. You'll be able to tell when the outsides are starting to turn brown. Like here a little bit. That's when you can tell you'll be able to flip it over. If you try to flip it over beforehand, you're going to make one heck of a mess. Even though it's not all melted yet, you can see the brownness starting to come around. So you play with it and see if it will be able to flip. Almost. You can tell by how it sticks to the spatula and sticks to the pan. It just takes a little bit of time. You be shaping it while you're at it, get it the way you want it. Alright, that looks about good. So it's not working out so well this time. I think I got the wrong spatula.
Should you use any spray?
I never have, because most cheeses you buy nowadays has a lot of oils in them. Pat it a little bit so it spreads out some, so it gets cooked everywhere evenly. Don't forget, this is extremely hot. Be careful what you do. And we'll turn the heat off. I'm gonna grab a taco shell. And this. See what happens. Yeah, this spatula is not working out well.
When you turn the other way, the cheese the other way?
It's cooked on both sides.
Oh.
Guess we won't be using that one, will we? Alright, we made another one fresh out of the pan. And it fits in there nicely. Now you just put your meat in there, your sour cream, onions, tomatoes, whatever else you want to use.
Okay, so for my hack, you take the taco shell and you put your cheese down inside of it. So you fill it up like that, or however much you want. And here's another thing we can try. So we'll just do this. Alright. The fork holds the shell, and then with the hamburger.
Taco meat.
Alright.
Yeah, the fork is a headache.
The reasoning behind this is to help keep it from getting soggy on the bottom, and it will melt your cheese. Alright, time to test this out.
Well, that's the taco hacks. Tell us what you think. Which one was your favorite? Which one have you tried? Have you got one we ain't tried? Tacos are good.
Also, to let you know, it didn't get soggy.
And as for mine, I would show you the results. I can't. I ate them. But it didn't get soggy at all. The cheese had a wonderful flavor. Gotta love that fried cheese. Tell us what you think.
Thank you, boo.bear.truman, for being here with us today.
You're welcome. Just so you know, it's boo.bear.truman on TikTok. I got some good videos. My dogs, my cars, life. Funny stuff, sad stuff, all kinds of stuff. Come up and check it out. I got a 2006 Corvette. It's my side chick. Her name is BB. Stands for Bully Female Dog. It's my drug of choice. I love it. Almost as much as I love my wife.
Thank you for joining us today.
It's been fun. Hope to see you next time. She gets me out of the basement.
See you later.